The slow bird flies early. Once upon a time, in a big forest, many little birds lived together. They loved to fly in the sky.
I am always so slow. I will get up early and practice every day.
The slow bird wanted to change. One day, 2 days, 3 days. Day after day he kept practicing.
Tomorrow we have a flying race.
I will join too.
At the beginning of the flying race, he was still behind. He starts to fly as fast as he can. Look, he is catching up. He flies much faster than before.
Yes, I am in the lead. I can do it because I never gave up.
Everyone can succeed with effort.